Hi everyone, these are your instructions for the reflection for breakout EDU activity. I've decided not to do a written paper. You guys have written a lot of papers. So this will be a video reflection through Flipgrid. Most all of you know Flipgrid as I've been talking to you all, but I'll still make a short instruction video so that you know what to do. There are two ways to go to Flipgrid. You could actually go down here where the breakout edu folder is and click on the reflection link, and it actually should open up. I actually like to do is go to Google, type in Flipgrid, and I'm going to adjust my window here and type in the code, which is E3872CD8. Now, if you don't remember this code, don't worry about it. You also have the code right over here. Okay, so when you click this window, it's going to bring you to your takeaway. This is your question. What are the biggest takeaway from the activity? What would you change if you did the activity again? What worked best? How was the experience? If you don't know how to record, this is the plus sign. You're going to press this plus sign. You're going to log in using Google. If it doesn't ask you to log in, it will ask you for your name and name at the end, any name and email at the end, so don't worry. So as you can see, I have my camera. I'm going to start recording so that I put a little piece in here. Okay, so when I start recording, you're going to see there's a sticky that you can put. Here you have the question back again. What is the biggest takeaway from your activity? What would you change if you did the activity again? What worked best? How was this experience for you? That's what I want you to talk about. You have a maximum of 3 minutes to record. And I'm hoping you don't have to go, you will not be allowed to go over 3 minutes. So 3 minutes is good enough. There are two parts to this. You're going to record your reflection and you're going to comment on one person's reflection. Okay, so let's go. I'm going to stop this and to go next. So when I start recording, and see, you can take a selfie here. You can take a selfie, you can put smileys, and I actually do spend a lot of time in this. I like glasses. I want to put some glasses for myself. I should have taken a better selfie. It's okay. You guys know it. Okay. So that's my selfie. I'm going to press the submit button. It's submitted. So you see it over there. That's where it is. And when you click on it, you're going to get it. How are you going to respond to it? This is the button for the reply. So you're going to watch at least one other peer's video and actually respond to it. So when you click on it, the response itself is a video. And I don't want it to be a very long response. It gives you 3 minutes because that is what I set it up for the initial one. But you can just click on this and record a response. Your response should be, oh, I really liked it. That's not. I want you to think about what that other person said and maybe connect it to your own experience. That's what I want you to do. But that's it. Once you are done, it's going to come in a grid over here and you are all set.